Good morning. Well, morning. It's almost 5 p.m. I took a nap because I almost didn't sleep this night. I was tracking my mom's flight, making sure she made it okay to her second flight, and she did. Uh, I don't know why, like her journey here and back home. It's really not good. On the first flight, yeah, they were delayed. I don't know why. One of the websites showed me that they left on time, like everything was fine. And no, then things changed. They didn't leave until like almost 2 hours later after their departure time. And then they froze them on that flight. It's like half of the passengers, they stepped out of the plane coughing, being sick, and having fever. I never could understand that. Like, why do you have to put your air conditioning on the plane, like to the freezing level? Never got this. So I hope she will be fine. She finally made it to the hotel in Moldova. And yeah, I was worried. She was worried. We were worried that the suitcase with all the presents gets lost. And yeah, so I almost didn't sleep. Then in the morning, I went for a walk, picked up a couple things for myself, came home, and just realized I have to sleep. Haven't eaten today yet, so I'll go grab some food. Have my therapy in the evening. We're scheduled for today. My head is a little bit headacheish, but I hope it will be fine and I won't take pain relievers. I try not to take much. And that's basically it. No more news. Slept the whole day. That's funny how my lipstick from my morning walk is still on my lips like 5 hours later. Yeah. Okay. Getting up. Getting up. Oh yeah, funny thing. Best Buy again sent me a message that I have to reschedule, but these are like 2 text messages. Yesterday they sent me an email that I have to reschedule. So today when I go to my appointment, it's still there. Oh, I apologize. Yeah, it's still there. So I don't know if I'll get my fridge tomorrow. We'll see. Yeah. But tonight I thought I will not have to go and buy ice anymore, but no. In the evening I'll have to go and buy another bag of ice. Fingers crossed tomorrow I'll have my fridge. Finally! Happy rain day, everybody. Well, hopefully my last bag of ice. Here we go. I thought I'd take myself and my ice for a walk. Not sure if I'm going to sleep good tonight because I still need to make sure my mom makes it to the bus. First, second, but she's feeling well because, as I mentioned, they froze everyone out on their flight from New York. I hope she's not sick. because she still has to make it home. It's like one more day of her trip, and I'm worried. It's not like I'm controlling her, right? I'm not a control freak, so, well, I know I am, but I'm trying not to. She's a grown-up girl. She is good in figuring things out. I mean, she did, right, in Warsaw, and then after she got to Chisinau, so, but I just, want not to worry. So,
all I can say is, just so you know,
yeah, that's what I'm doing. Trying not to worry. But maybe a walk will help me to feel calmer. I had an appointment for Thursday to get a haircut, and after that I will need to get new headshots. But on Monday I have like a short headshot session. A friend of mine who's a photographer, she is working on her portfolio, and she offered like a free 30-minute session, and I thought, yeah, why not? But since I will be changing my look on Thursday, I thought I will just do some kind of business type of pictures, not like with the hair down, but some sleek hairdo, like bun, ponytail, something like that. I'll have to think about it. And I'll get a new headshot, which is always good, and another experience in posing, because it's a new area for me. So, as I say, the more you do it, the more confident you become. Right now I feel awkward and absolutely not confident at all, which I really want to change. So every opportunity is perfect. And after Thursday I'll have to get like really new headshots. Because in an acting world, if your appearance changes, you have to get new headshots. And I really feel like I want to change it. A lot of women going through divorce, separation, breakup. What do? They go to a hair salon and they change the way they look. They cut their hair, they change color, and it helps. It helps a lot of women. So I will also do that. Yep. Because why not? Every little something that helps. I don't know why, but these little houses, they give me the vibe of like Charles Dickens. I don't know why. Charles Dickens and in Boston for some reason. But I feel like Charles Dickens stories would happen in something like this. Okay, it's almost midnight, and Best Buy didn't send me an email with rescheduling. They only sent me like a shorter delivery window text message. So I guess I will have a fridge tomorrow. And it was the last time I bought ice today. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. I really, 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 really want this to be done with. Yeah. I really hope it will happen tomorrow. I'm so tired of dealing with the fridge not working. It's like, have you noticed your fridge breaks only in summer? Your AC breaks only in summer. It's like they know when they have to do it. And heating usually breaks in winter, right? So yeah. I guess I should go to bed because my delivery window is pretty early, starting 9:30, and I still have to free up space for them because I got another delivery, Amazon delivery today, and it's again full of cardboard there, boxes, stuff. I got a coffee table today that will go under the clothes rack, but it was so heavy that I had to open the package downstairs and carry it upstairs, piece by piece, because it's just too heavy for me. So I have another thing to assemble. Not sure when it will happen, but it's here, which is good. First things first, the fridge. That's the whole mission for tomorrow, fridge. And then once it's here, I'll have to go to the office and carry back my groceries, everything that was in the fridge. Because starting Monday, I think office will be used as an office. And their fridge is packed with my stuff. So fingers crossed, I'm going to bed. I hope everyone had a great, Friday? Oh, Friday night. I hope you guys are having fun there, doing something fun. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. As usual, thanks so much for listening. Bye.